If you want to verify what was uploaded by a student and when, you can view the student's submission log. So to find their submission log, you're first going to click into the correct course and the assessment. On the left-hand side, you're going to select students, and you can search for the particular student that you want to look into. Or if you've got a shortlist, you can just run your eyes down to find what student you would like to see. So if we have a look at Virginia's submission log, the way you're going to click into the submission log is by selecting their submission status in the submission status column. So for Virginia, we're going to select submitted March 8. And when we do that, here is the student's submission log. So it's going to record any action that they've taken on an assessment, and a successful submission is indicated by this green submission processing complete here. If you select on show file details here, you'll see that any file that's uploaded, we keep a record of the MD5 hash, which is a unique identifier for any files or images that are uploaded. And any file that is the same that's uploaded to CrowdMark a second time should have the same MD5 hash. So for whatever reason, if a student tries to upload an image or a file and the upload fails, maybe because they have an internet connection issue, you may choose to resubmit the file on behalf of the student. So in that case, you would ask the student to send you their file, and you can upload it on their behalf and check the MD5 hash is the same. If you would like more information about the activity log, what all of the different actions mean, you can click on this link here, and it's going to take you to a really useful help document which walks you through all the different activities and also the MD5 hash and what it means.